New Year's Eve's look. Wait, what? If you guys want to see any New Year's Eve looks. Alright, so we are going to stay at Laura Geller. Oops. Angled cook. Oh my god. I really do need to get an intro down. I've been saying that for 2 years now. 3 years, how long I've been on YouTube. Who knows? Welcome to my channel. It's a hot mess. Today I'm showing you guys how to achieve this natural... Okay, this is not natural, obviously. But I'm showing you guys how to achieve this holiday look right here. I do show you 2 different lip options because I know not everyone wants to wear a red lip. I also show you different steps in this look to either like tone it down or make it a little bit more glam. And at the end of this video, I'm super excited because I'm showing you guys the giveaway item for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I am so excited. I cannot wait. So if you're interested in seeing this look and seeing the giveaway that I have for you guys, then just keep watching. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the first thing I'm going to do is my skin today just because we're keeping it relatively simple with the eye look, so I'm just going to get my skin out of the way. The first thing I'm going to do is prime, and I'm going to be using my Benefit Porefessional primer. I have not used this in so long. I ran out of it, and then I recently got this as a gift from a coworker of mine, so Andre, if you're watching this, thank you so much. You know me so well. So I'm just going to put this all over my face just to help prime, to fill in any pores, and also just to make sure that everything goes on evenly and stays on all day long. Whenever you put on primer or go to put anything on your face with your hands, make sure your hands are clean. That sounds like it's pretty obvious, but it's so important just to be using clean hands because you don't want to spread any bacteria. What's this hair doing? You don't want to spread any bacteria anywhere else on your face. So I forgot how much I love this stuff. It just does such a nice job at filling in your pores. Also, this sweater is so insanely itchy. It's really hot, but I'm wearing it because it's like a Christmas aesthetic, so give this video a thumbs up for me because I'm struggling for you guys to look at this. So I'm going to be mixing in a liquid highlighter with my foundation today just because I really want my skin to be dewy and just very fresh looking. That sounds weird, but you guys know what I mean. Also, my hair's playing me. Life's just playing me today. I'm a hot mess. What's new? Welcome to my channel. Going back to the liquid highlighter, I will be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the shade Perla. I absolutely love this stuff. It is just such a beautiful golden liquid highlighter. I am going to mix this into my foundation. I will be using my Tarte Shape Tape foundation today because this is the lightest shade that I have in any of my foundations, and I am just feeling like I'm see-through at this point. I feel so pale. I normally would be going for more of a moisturizing foundation today because my skin has been a bit more on the dry side. However, I don't have one that is in my shade. So I'm just going to be making sure that I spray my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray or my MAC Fix Plus to give myself some moisture in between the face steps today. So I'm just going to be mixing these 2 products together, and I will be blending that in with my StansOut Beauty Sponge. So now I'm going to pick up my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to put this under my eyes just to help to brighten up that under eye because I have been so insanely exhausted, especially with it being the holiday season at work. It has just been so insanely busy and I am definitely sleep deprived. So I'm just going to put this under my eyes and then blend it out with my StansOut Beauty Sponge. I use this sponge for literally any face step on my face, if that makes sense. I use this sponge for everything just because I love it. I am using this dry today. You can use it wet or dry. I'm just using my dry because I'm too lazy to get up and wet it. I'm also bringing this onto my lid to act as a primer today. Now I'm just going to set my under eye with my RCMA No Color Powder and my beauty sponge, again my StansOut Beauty Sponge. I'm going to take the opposite side. Oh my god, I am almost spilling this powder. Girl, watch what you're doing. I'm going to take the opposite side of where I put my concealer on. Just dip this into this container here. This is my Laura Mercier container, however I keep my RCMA No Color Powder in here just because it's easier to access it from a container like this. So I am just going to take that powder on my sponge and then just press it onto my under eye here. I'm not going to bake even though I'm putting on a lot of powder. I didn't mean to pick up this much. That's okay. I'm really just going to focus on pushing this in just to make sure that everything is set and also just to add a little bit of extra brightness. And then I'm just going to bring this over my lid as well just to set that concealer. I'm just going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and just use this to spray my face just because it is starting to feel a little bit dry. The struggle is real. Just fan myself off. off with this 20% off coupon that I'm so mad I'm not going to use because it expires today, and there's no way I'm going shopping now because everyone's out shopping for the holidays and I hate crowds. Taking my Chanel cream bronzer and my Sigma F84 angled kabuki brush, I'm going to put this onto the perimeters of my face. I'm just going to put this on my temples, my cheekbones, and my jawline just to help bronze my face today. I'm just going to very lightly set that with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and my JH02 brush. This is my favorite bronzer brush. As you can see, I got a little bit of pink eyeshadow on that side. I have to clean my brushes. I don't know if it's just me, but I am the laziest person when it comes to cleaning my brushes. I really should do it more often. I'm just so lazy, you guys. I really don't feel like it, and I have a lot. I'm just going to put this very lightly over where I put that bronzer. This is just going to enhance the bronziness, English. This is just going to help enhance the bronzer that we put on before, and it's also just going to set it. Taking my Morphe Blush Trio in Pop of Coral, I will be using the shade Fierce today, which is this beautiful shimmery shade right here, and I will be applying that with my JH04 brush. Now I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Taking my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter, I am going to put that onto my face with my JH09 brush. I'm going to focus this on my cheekbones as well as my cupid's bow and the bridge of my nose. We're going to take a step back from the face and I'm just going to move on to the eyes. I am going to keep today's eye look very light. I do want to, of course, add some depth into my crease in my outer corner, and then I want to highlight my inner corner, but besides that, I'm really trying to keep with the natural look today because I know even on holidays, that's my day off. I'm really not trying to do like the most beat makeup look. So I just want to show you guys more of a simple look you can do with your eyes while still having them relatively defined. I am going to be dipping into my James Charles palette. This thing is actually my obsession. I am so in love with it. I'm going to be taking the shade Punch, which is this shade right here. This is going to be my transition shade for today, so I'm just going to take that with my Morphe M433 brush and then put that all over my transition area. With the same brush, I'm going to take the shade T and I'm going to put this slightly onto my outer corner, and then I'm also going to bring this more through my crease just to add a little bit of more definition. Feel free to make this shade as dark or as light as you want. Alright, so now I'm going to take the black shade from the palette and the shade Spooky. With a flat definer brush, I'm just going to push this up against my lash line. This is just going to help to add a little bit more definition to that lash line area, but this is also going to help to conceal the lash band because after this I will be going in with some false lashes. I am quickly going to put on a coat of my Nars Climax mascara. And then for lashes today, I will be using my Trace Chic lashes in the style Fierce. This is one of my all-time favorite styles from them. If you are interested in trying out any of their lashes, you can use the code BROOK20 at checkout. They are mink lashes, but they are also a cruelty-free company, so there are no animals harmed in the making of their lashes, and they do last 15 to 20 to even 25 times if you take good care of them. Alright, so now I do have some tinted brow gel on. I'm just going to brush out my brows with the spoolie on my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and then I'm going to quickly fill them in. Alright, so now for the lips, I want to show you guys two different options. I want to show you more of a nude option and then a red lip because I'm such a sucker for a red lip. I would wear red lips all the time if I could, and I could, but I just, you know, that takes a lot of effort. As we can tell, I'm not trying to do the most. I am going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Caramel. Quick question, do you guys say caramel or caramel? Leave a comment down below because I'm really curious because I've said it both ways, but I think like the way I pronounce it now is caramel. Weird question, I know, but just let me know down below because I'm genuinely curious. And this is just a beautiful nude shade. It is a little bit of a pinky nude, but it's not super pink. It does have a little bit of like a peachy undertone to it. Anastasia glosses are one of my favorite because they are so pigmented and so shiny, but they aren't sticky like a lot of lip glosses can be. So if you guys haven't tried these out, I would definitely recommend it. They are a little bit pricier as far as the lip gloss goes, but you do get a lot of pigment, you do get high shine, and they do last a long time. Okay, so as you can see, this is much more of a pinky lip option. I'm going to add a nude gloss over top of this just to tone it down because I feel like it doesn't really go with my sweater. And I definitely thought this was more of a nude than it was, but it's definitely more of a pink, which I'm not mad about. However, like I said, I kind of just want to tone this look down a little bit. So over top of that, I'm just going to put on some of my Dior nude lip gloss. This is my favorite nude lip gloss. I'm sure you guys have seen me use it in many videos before. I just wanted to show you guys one lip option, and now we're going to go in with a red lip. I'm so excited. That is why I wore this sweater today. Let me take this off really quick. Picking up my Revlon Color Stay lip liner in the shade Red, I am going to put this all over my lips. As you guys can see, this red is not very pigmented, so I would not recommend buying this pencil. However, it is the only red that I have, so you gotta do what you gotta do. My Melted Matte Too Faced lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. This is my favorite red just because it is a blue-based red, so it's going to really complement your skin tone, any skin tone, and it's also going to help to make your teeth look whiter because sometimes certain lipsticks can make your teeth look yellow even if they aren't yellow, so getting a blue-based red is going to help to prevent that. Alright, so here is the red lip option, which is just personally my favorite. I feel like it is just such a classic, and it goes with the red sweater I'm wearing, and it's very holiday themed, obviously. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so I know. If you guys are interested in seeing any New Year's Eve looks, just let me know down below because I would be very happy to film like a super glam, super glittery look or a natural look depending on what you guys want to see. So like I said, just let me know down below. Also, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do that on your way out. Alright, so now we're gonna get into the giveaway portion of today's video, and I'm so excited just because I'm so happy to be able to give back to you guys and say thank you, but also because this means we hit 1,000 subscribers. I am just so grateful. I can't thank you guys enough, and this is just my way of saying thank you. So there will be one winner for this giveaway, and you will be receiving 3 items. The first item will be the beautiful and amazing James Charles palette. I have multiple tutorials with this palette on my channel. If you want, I will link them down below. You can check them out. However, this palette has been so popular. It is definitely one of the newer, hottest beauty items, and it keeps going out of stock, so I'm so happy I was able to pick up one for you guys. So this will be the first item in the giveaway. Whoever wins this, I swear you're gonna love it. This palette is everything. It's just super colorful. It also has really nice neutral tones in it, so definitely super excited for whoever wins that because I love that palette. Also, I will be giving away an Anastasia lip gloss. This is in the shade Kristen, so it's just a little bit more of a pinky toned lip gloss. However, as you guys saw when I used the lip gloss earlier in today's video, it is super pigmented, super high shine, and it lasts a long time, so I wanted to include one of these lip glosses in the giveaway for you guys. And last but not least, I will be giving away the Jaclyn Hill eye brush set. This comes with, how many brushes are in here? This comes with 8 brushes, and it also includes the bag. I love the eye brushes from the Jaclyn Hill brush set. They literally come with every brush you could need, from a flat definer brush to blending brushes. There's even like a synthetic brush in there for all over lid colors or shimmery shades. You have pencil brushes. You honestly have every kind of brush you would need for your eyes in this palette, or in this brush set. So I wanted to include that in the giveaway because I'm giving you guys an eyeshadow palette, but I wanted to give you something to use with the eyeshadow palette. So in order to win this giveaway, you only have to do 3 things. Just subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then leave a comment down below letting me know why you want to win this giveaway, and also leave a way for me to contact you, whether that's through Instagram DM or through an email. I just need to be able to contact the winner. I hope you're excited for this giveaway because I know I am, and I know whoever wins this stuff is going to love it. So if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments comments down below on what kinds of looks you would like to see from me next, and don't forget to subscribe and enter the giveaway. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will have that link down below. I do post pretty much daily on there, and I do some Instagram stories as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing any of that, I will have that link down below. But with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.